In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this WASSCE or wire chemistry problems under oxidizing and reducing agent. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, chlorine water is used as a bleaching agent because it is, we have option A, an acidic solution, a reducing solution, a reducing agent, an oxidizing agent, and alkaline solution. So the right option is option C, which is an oxidizing agent. Okay, so that's why chlorine water is used as a bleaching agent. So that's for this question. The next question will be this one. It says, in which of the following reactions is sulfur 4 oxide acting as an oxidizing agent? So looking at this first reaction, no, it can't be this first reaction because here the manganese 4 oxide is being reduced by sulfur 4 oxide, so it's not being oxidized. In reaction 2, we have trioxynitrate 5 acid is being reduced, so it's not being oxidized by sulfur 4 oxide. In this reaction 3, this iron 3 chloride is being reduced by sulfur 4 oxide to iron 10 chloride, so it can't be this. The last option we have here, this hydrogen sulfide gas is being oxidized by sulfur 4 oxide into water, 2 moles of water and 3 moles of sulfur. So the right option is option D. Okay, so in this reaction below, sulfur 4 oxide is acting as an oxidizing agent. Okay, so that's it for this question. The next repeated question is this one. It says, a reducing agent is expected to, we have dechlorized acidified iron 2 tetrasulfate 6 solution, liberate chlorine gas from a chloride, dechlorized acidified potassium manganese 7 solution, liberates carbon 4 oxide from sodium hydrogen triiosocarbonate 4. So the right option to this question is option C, dechlorized acidified potassium manganese 7 solution. So that's it for this question. The next repeated question will be this one. It says, what is the reducing agent in a reaction represented by the following equation? So the reducing agent basically will be our hydrogen sulfide because it reduces iron 3 to iron 2. So the right option is option B. The last question I have here before I end this video with this one. It says, consider the following reaction equation. We have bromine gas reacts with 2 moles of potassium iodide to give 2 moles of potassium bromide and iodine gas. Bromine is reacting as, so from this reaction we have here, bromine is reacting as oxidizing agent, option C. So guys, this is basically I can do problems involving oxidizing and reducing agents for WASSCE or chemistry problems. Hope you learned something interesting from the video. Let's create a video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking the join button, where you'll be getting premium information that will help you to excel in your SNE exams like WASSCE and other SNE exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having known this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.